Welcome to our 5-minute masterclass on how to get the most out of LinkedIn. So if you're yet to make a LinkedIn, or you have one but you weren't aware of all the things you can do with it, we thought we'd share a few things. So we should probably start by telling you how it's the largest professional network online and how you have access to so much interesting content with things like articles and videos, and also access to free courses. And follow things that you're interested in, like the topics and the companies that you might want to hear about. It's got a really clever built-in job board, which uses an algorithm that looks at your profile and tries to suggest jobs that it thinks that you'll be interested in. LinkedIn is also used by loads of recruiters, and it provides a platform that they can contact you with roles. You can also join interesting groups and, of course, share your own content. So your profile. It's a bit like an interactive CV. When you sign up, there's plenty of prompts that tell you where to put certain pieces of information. And the information that it'll ask for is similar to that of a CV. It's a good idea to try complete it fully because recruiters love to have a look on there to check what your CV says and see that it reflects in your LinkedIn. And also they just do like to have a little nosy at people's social media, so do bear that in mind. It's also possible to let people endorse your skills, which means, for example, if you say that you are good at presenting, people that you've worked with before, or maybe people that you've presented to, can go onto your profile and click endorse, and this will show that someone agrees that you have this skill, and they can even say when they saw it or leave a comment about it. It's also a really good idea to include a picture. This is because profiles that have a picture on tend to get about 10 times more views. One of the most important parts of your profile will be similar to the personal statement part of a CV. Make sure you include things like keywords, the name of the industry that you're working in or that you want to be working in, things like that. Really important to help your profile be found. So here's a little bit about getting the most out of networking on LinkedIn. If you're completely new to it, a good place to start will be connecting with your current colleagues, or maybe former colleagues and friends, teachers, this kind of thing. LinkedIn does bring up suggestions of people that you might know as well. And there's also, like many other social media platforms, a built-in messaging function so that you can interact with people and so that people like recruiters can contact you. You can make your profile searchable for recruiters without your current boss knowing. If you go to your profile page, there will be a setting that shows your profile as being visible to employers, but there is a setting that hides it from your current employer. This is helpful if you don't want them to know that you're actively seeking work. So as well as following people, you can follow hashtags, companies, lots of different things to give you the content that is relevant and interesting to you. If you're not sure who to follow as well, you could follow people that are significant in your industry. And you can even find events that are online as well as in person. So another really cool feature of LinkedIn is their job board. The way that it works is it looks at what information is on your profile, the types of things you like to follow, the words that it sees, and it'll suggest jobs that it thinks you'll find interesting. So the more you keep your profile up to date, the better these suggestions will be. Also an easy apply button that sends your profile straight to the employer, but just bear in mind you can't tailor that as much. So you can also set email alerts for things like saved searches, and you can change when you want the emails to come, whether you want it every day or every week. So from this, it's best to keep your profile up to date. Think about updating it if you do any in-house training or you find something interesting that you want to share. It's worth doing. Get to grips with the privacy settings and just be aware that LinkedIn does tell someone if you've looked at their profile. The best thing to do is to have a look at the tutorials that are built into LinkedIn to really get to grips with it. And please make sure that you've put lots of keywords in your profile to give it the best chance of being found. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you found it useful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next.